Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler. Thank you for joining me for another climate change and clean energy video blog. It is the evening of August 21st, 2018. And I am just going to go ahead and provide you guys with a very brief update on Hurricane Lane, which has now rapidly intensified to a 155 mile per hour storm, which is just at the edge of Category 5 status with a minimum central pressure of 941 millibars. And as we noted earlier today, the hurricane is expected to come very close to many of the Hawaiian Islands within the Hawaiian Island chain and is likely to at least produce tropical storm force winds for many locations on the Hawaiian Islands along its presently projected path. Now, I'd just like to note that this is a very odd location for a near Category 5 storm, and we have some hurricane experts commenting on this issue. Eric Blake earlier today noted that it's amazing to see a 155 mile per hour hurricane that close to Hawaii. I can count on one hand how many hurricanes have been that strong there that we know of. So, according to hurricane experts, one of the most intense hurricanes ever to appear this close to Hawaii, and a hurricane that underwent a bombification or rapid intensification cycle earlier today. And I just want to go ahead and show you this graphic of the Eyewall going through a replacement cycle provided by Michael Ventris, who is also a hurricane expert. And note the spiral structure changing to a ring-based structure, a more solid ring-based structure. So the spiral concentric ring-based structure converting to a strong closed eyewall structure that is more indicative of a powerful storm over the past 24 hours. Now, for our last video blog on Lang, we did talk about some climate change related features that are helping to enhance the peak potential intensity of storms. And one of those features is warmer than normal waters in the Pacific Ocean, particularly close to Hawaii, where we see sea surface temperatures ranging from 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius above average, and this is giving storms in the region a kick when they do form. It's worth noting that warming sea surfaces are a signature fingerprint of human-caused climate change. So just an update on Hurricane Lane, a very, very powerful storm now threatening the Hawaiian Islands. Please stay tuned to advisories from the National Weather Service for local updates on this storm. Thank you for joining me, and I'll be chatting with you soon.